Today we are going to learn about rational numbers. See the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. The natural numbers with 0 is called whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The whole numbers with negative numbers are called integers. Right side of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called positive integers. The left side of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. is called negative integers. 0 has no positive and negative sign. Therefore, 0 is neutral number. We will mark 0 and 1 in between 1 by 2. Then 0 and 1 by 2 in between 1 by 4. 0 and minus 1 in between minus 1 by 2. 0 and minus 1 by 2 in between minus 1 by 4. Therefore, a rational number can be expressed P by Q form. Here P, Q are integers. Q not equal to 0. For example, I will take one integer P 1 divided by, I will take Q one more integers 3 1 by 3. Okay, I will take negative integers minus 1 by 2, then 0, then 4 and so on is called examples for rational numbers. Example for rational numbers. Note, all natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are rational numbers. What is difference between fraction and rational numbers? What is difference between fraction and rational numbers? Fraction, we are using only whole numbers. For example, 1 is the whole number, 2 also whole number, so 1 by 2. I will take 3 is one more whole number 3, then 5, 3 by 5 and so on. Fraction we taking only whole numbers, but the rational numbers we are using integers. The negative integers also we are using. So the fraction only using whole numbers. A rational number we are using natural numbers, whole numbers and negative integers. All the numbers we included. Okay. 1 is a natural number. This is also rational number. I will take 0. 0 also rational numbers. I will take minus 10. Minus 10 also rational numbers. 7 by 2 is a rational number. Minus 10 by 11 is a rational number. Okay. Why we can say 1 is a rational number? 1 can be written as P by Q form 1 by 1. 0 can be written 0 by 1. Minus 10 can be written minus 10 by 1. So 1, 0, minus 10 also rational numbers. Rational numbers in everyday life. For example, recipe for chocolate chip cookies. Ask for 1 by 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 1 by 4 cups of flour and 1 by 2 cup of nuts. One more example, weight of cylinder. Recap. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on is called natural numbers. The natural numbers with 0 is called whole numbers. The whole numbers with negative numbers are called integers. The right side of the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called positive integers. The left side of the 0, -1, -2, -3 is called negative integers. 0 has no positive and negative sign. Therefore, 0 is called neutral number. 0 and 1 in between 1 by 2 lies. 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1. The 1 by 4 lies between 0 and 1 by 2. Therefore, the rational number can be expressed p by q form. Here p comma q are integers. Q not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 0, 4 and so on. Note, all natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are rational numbers. Then what is difference between fraction and rational numbers? Fraction we will use only whole numbers, but rational numbers we are using integers. That's all. Homer. Question number 1. Which is the smallest whole number? Second one. Which is the smallest natural number? Third one. Dash is called neutral number. Fourth one. Write 10 example for rational numbers. Fifth one. Say true or false. All natural numbers are not rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. That's all. Thank you.